Good morning, students. Now we start properties of addition of integers. First we will discuss some properties and then we will do the questions of worksheet 4. Here property 1, the sum of any two integer is also an integer. It means if we add any two integers, so their answer should be an integer. Second, the sum remains the same even if we change the order of the addends. If we add minus 6 plus 11 or 11 plus minus 6, answer will remain the same. Sum of three integers remain the same even after changing their group of addends. See here, we want to add 3 minus 5 and 9. If we make group of 3 and minus 5 and then add 9 to them, we are getting 7. And if we make group of minus 5 and 9 and then add it to 3, again we will get the 7. It means if we make different grouping of integers, then answer will remain the same. Next, when 0 is added to any integer, the sum is the integer itself. It means if we add 0 to any of the integers, answer is that number. 3 plus 0, 3. Minus 11 plus 0 is equal to minus 11. 0 is called the identity element for addition also. Property 5, when 1 is added to any integer, we get the successor. It means we get the next number. 10 plus 1, 11. That is 1 greater than 10. Minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6 and minus 6 is 1 greater than minus 7. Property 6, if every integer has an additive inverse such that their sum is equal to 0. Means if we have two numbers whose sum is 0, then each other is a additive inverse of other. See here, 5 and minus 5, their sum is 0. It means 5 is additive inverse of minus 5 or minus 5 is additive inverse of 5. Similarly here, minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. So 8 is additive inverse of minus 8 and minus 8 is additive inverse of 8. We also called the negative to that number. Additive inverse or a negative, both have the same meaning. Now see worksheet 4, question number 1. Find the sum in two different ways. Here we use the property. We have to add minus 32 plus 52. First we will add minus 32 plus 50 and then we will change their order in other questions also. See first question. We have to add them. Minus 32 comma will replace by plus 50. See here, different sign difference, that concept which we have done in previous lesson. Different sign difference, it means we have to subtract the number. If we subtract the number, we get 18 and sign will be of greater number. Now see their sum of these two numbers in different way. Now we have written 50 at first position and minus 32 at second position. Now we are adding them, and because second number is of negative sign, so we will write that in bracket. Now we will remove the bracket, plus minus minus. See here, different sign difference. So if we combine different sign of difference means minus will be there. Again here, its sign is plus, its sign is minus, different sign difference. So we will do the difference of number, subtract the number, and sign will be of greater number, means plus. Now see D part of the first question. Here three numbers are there which we have to add. Here we have, first we have make the group of first two and then combine them. And then in second part we have make the group of second two and then combine with first, and we got the same answer. Now see question number 2. Write the additive inverse of the following. In property 6 we have learnt about additive inverse. Additive inverse is the negative. So if we change their sign, if we change the sign of the number, we will get the additive inverse of that. Because if we want to add something in 31, so to get 0, so that should be minus 31. 31 minus 31 will be 0. In this way we can find the additive inverse of all these numbers. 31, additive inverse of 31 will be minus 31, additive inverse of minus 7 will be 7, additive inverse of 21 will be minus 21. Similarly all these, and additive inverse of 0 is 0, because 0 is neither negative nor positive. Before going next question, we discuss the concept of sign once again. See here, if we are going to combine the numbers or adding the number, we will see the sign. If same sign are there, we will add. Same sign sum. Sum means add. We will add the numbers and sign will be of both number with the answer. And if different sign are there, then we will do the different sign difference. We will do the difference means subtract, and sign of greater number will be there with the plus sign. Similarly, if there are two signs together, we will use the bracket, and if two signs are combined, if minus and minus are there, if one minus is outside this bracket and one minus is inside the bracket, then same sign sum, either they are plus or minus. And if different signs are there and we have to combine the sign, then sign of difference will be there. Same sign sum, different sign difference. So we will use this concept in questions. So learn it properly. If you understand this, so there will be easy for you to combine, to solve the questions, and mistakes of sign will be very less, or you can remove this mistake of sign. See, find the sum of the following: 200 plus minus 105 plus minus 36. First of all, we have to remove the sign of we have to remove the bracket. See, 200 plus minus, different signs are there, so plus minus minus, here plus minus minus 105, and same here plus minus minus, different sign difference ka sign 36. Now what we have to do, if three numbers are there, we will write the same sign together, number of same sign together. Here they are already negative signs, numbers are together and positive numbers are different. So see here, 200 same sign sum, so we will add them and sign will be of both number. Now we left two numbers. Now plus minus, different sign difference, so we will subtract them and sign will be of greater number.